You need to convince your mind that you are ready. Unless you do that, you're always going to feel confused. And in that confusion, you're going to feel that you're not ready, you're not going to pass, you're going to feel anxious. Why? Because you haven't spoken to your mind, you haven't sat and did a reality check and convince your mind that whether you're ready or not. You want your mind to be clear, knows exactly whether you're ready or not. So let's look at whether you're ready. Number one, can you drive the car by yourself? So when you have your driving lessons, your driving instructor sit next to you. Can you drive the car without your instructor helping you? Or do they always have to help? Can you drive the car by yourself without any help from your driving instructor, from your friend, from your family members? So firstly, can you drive the car by yourself without any help from your driving instructor? That's number one. If the answer is yes, you know how to drive the car, right? Number two, have you done all the maneuvers? Have you done all the parkings? Do you know all the steps of the parkings? Is there any parking that you're not sure of, that you feel confused on? Because if you are, you need to work on that. Remember, the reason you feel confused is because there's something there that you haven't done properly, or you need to work on a little bit more. Or you need to work on that a little bit more. So if there's a parking, if there's something that's bugging you, something bothering you, make sure you work on that before your test. So maybe a parking, maybe roundabouts. Do you know your roundabouts? Roundabouts can be confusing, right? Do you understand the principle of roundabouts? Which lane you need, when to signal? Do you fully understand roundabouts? What about crossroads? Do you understand crossroads? Do you understand traffic lights? Do you know how to approach traffic lights? How to go left, how to go right? Do you understand the give-way line and a stop line? What a stop line means? Do you have to stop on a stop line? On a give-way line, it's clear, can you go? Or do you have to stop? Do you understand open junction and closed junction? All those things are the main thing for you to be a driver. Unless you understand those things, you're always going to feel confused. And if you're confused, like I said, your mind is going to make you confused. It's going to make you nervous. Why? Because you don't fully understand whether you're ready or not. So you've got the driving done. You could drive the car by yourself. You fully understand the parking and the maneuvers, the emergency stop. Have you done the emergency stop? What about the show me, tell me questions? Did you go through them with your driving instructor? Did you read about them at home? Do your homework. Go to Google, just search for show me, tell me questions and read them, understand them. If there's something you don't understand, talk to your driving instructor and get the help that you need for you to learn. So now let's talk about a few basics about passing the test, okay? So when you start your car on your driving test, make sure you are ready. Say to yourself that I am ready and I could do this. I could pass, and that's the reason why I'm here. So take a deep breath and believe that you can. Before you move off, make sure you look around, look at the blind spot, signal if needed, move off. When you're driving, every 5 to 8 seconds, just look at the top mirror. Look at the top mirror. Make sure you check the mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. And before you do anything, whether you speed up or you slow down, look at the mirror first. So before you brake, before you give gas, before you signal, before you go left, before you go right, before you do anything, check the mirror first and then do it. Don't brake before the mirror. Don't give gas before the mirror. So before you do anything, check the mirror. If you're driving on a long road, there's nothing to do, just a long stretch of road, check the mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Other than that, like I said, before you do anything, check the mirror. And as you're driving, talk to yourself. So the examiner said, next road on the left. Find what the road is. Look for the road where the road is. And then what do? Mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. Look at the mirrors, put the signal on, check the position, check your speed, look if it's safe, and then you go. You want to go right? Same. Mirror, mirror, signal right, check your position. To go right, where do you position? Left of center. Why? So the car behind could go if they need to. When you go into the new road, don't cut the corner. Because if you cut the corner, what's going to happen? You're going to end up on somebody else's territory. You want to go to your side of the road, you don't want to cut the corner. Approaching a roundabout, maybe you're coming to a roundabout. The examiner said, second ahead, first on the left, second on the right, third on the right. No problem. Look at the mirror, look early, slow down, do the MSPSL routine, look early if there's somebody coming on your right. If there is, stop behind the line. If there isn't, slow down and go. Roundabout means if there's nobody there on your right, you shouldn't stop. So on the roundabout, look early on your right, and if there's nobody there, carry on going. And then you will be asked to do one maneuver, one parking. Okay, there are 4 you need to learn, and out of the 4 you'll be asked to do one. So you could be parallel parking, you could be bay parking, you could be stopping on the right, reverse move off. Okay, so out of the 4 you get to do one. So for example, maybe parallel parking, if you get it wrong first time, don't think that you can't correct. You are allowed to correct. Okay, so maybe you've done it and you are too far from the pavement. What do? Get the car ready, look around, look at the blind spot, and just move out, go out. You don't have to go all the way, just go out a little bit, come back and do the parking again. Basically, you are just correcting. Or maybe you are coming into the pavement and you see you've done it a bit too late, the steering, now you're going to hit it. If you go any further, you're going to hit the pavement. What do? Stop, go forward, and come back again and finish. Remember, any parking that you, maybe in the bay parking, you didn't go in the bay, maybe you're on the line. What do? Go forward and correct. You are allowed to correct. That is perfectly okay in the test. And hopefully by the end, you come back and the examiner will say you've passed. If you need extra help on Learn to Drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course has everything you need for you to prepare and for you to pass your driving test. It has everything you need. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. So basically, make sure you convince your mind that you are ready for the test, that you know how to drive the car, that you know how to do the parking, that you know you understand fully the roundabouts. By knowing, by talking to your mind, talking to yourself, what you are doing is you are convincing your mind that you are ready. Because if you don't do that, your mind is always going to be in the confusion. And confusion brings in a lot of problems, a lot of anxiety, a lot of nervousness. The more you are clear in your mind, more you will feel confident for you to do the driving test, for you to pass the driving test. So I hope the video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.